everyone, welcome back to Homestead Tools and Gadgets. I know it's been a while. I've been working real hard, and with the weather and all this rain, it's been a little hard to doing anything. But I'm going on a trip, man. I'm going on vacation. I have not seen my sister in a very long time. I'm going to Missouri. Now, my GMC Envoy, it's sick. There's a lot of things broken on it, and I just don't have the time, let alone the money to fix it. So, the one thing I wanted, be sure of, one of the tools, I wanted a professional tire plugging tool. This is a whole kit. This comes with a T-handle. It's all metal. Insertion tool, like say a T-handle Spiral Pro, the reamer. The inserting tool, you know, where you put the plug on and push it in. You got lubricant, you got needle nose pliers, you got folding. There is 14 different tools in this case. Or in this case, let me show you. Look at all that. Now, what do you think a kit like this goes for? Well, I bought this from Harbor Freight. Now, I looked at some out there that was $49, $50. Not this. $24.95 plus tax. Tax all depends on what state you live in. But this is going in my truck. I'm also going to keep, always good, have an X-Acto knife. So these are going to go on my truck. But, I tell you, you also have to have something else. So you're getting a 2-for-1 sale here on the video. So the box, we don't need that. Let me set this stuff aside. Let me show you what other tool I bought that we will be using on my trip. All right. Next tool I bought is a 20-volt tire inflator. Why did I get this? Well, let's say you get a flat tire, you see you picked up a nail. Okay, we use the first kit to, after we get the tire off, and we'll, work on it. I'm going to be taking jack stands, I'm going to be taking a lot of tools with me. And, well, you get it all fixed, how are you going to blow it up? You're going to put your mouth over the stem? That ain't going to work. So, a 20-volt tire inflator. Comes with some other attachments. So if you want to blow up like, I don't know, maybe a bicycle tire, blow up a air mattress, it's got the adapters. So, I bought this from Lowe's. It was $49.99. Bare tool only. No charger, no battery. Well, I got plenty of batteries. Trust me, I got plenty of batteries. In fact, when I go to replace some of these batteries, I'm going to get more of the 4 amp hour because it's just cheaper to do so. So, this is a high pressure inflator. Let's try to read some of the specs. Okay, you got 21-inch of hose. That has a little lock. You just press it on, lock it down, holds it on, and like a drill, press the button. It has 150 psi, pounds per square inch. Digital display. On the back, it tells you what pressure the tire is at. Then you got the adapters. So, what we're going to do next, I'm going to let's put the battery in. Let's take this thing outside, and we're going to air up my truck tires because, well, they're low. They're not flat, but they're low. So let's go outside and try this out. I got to air these things up anyways because I need to start up the truck and move it. So before I go, I can hook up to my trailer. Kind of my way of locking the trailers up, but one in front of the other. Okay. Says we got 40.5. $43 and a half. $44. Let you know, when you're doing this and the tire's off, it will air up a whole lot faster than the weight of the truck pushing down on the tire. $45 and a half. See, even this little thing is airing up a lot faster than what those little things that you plug into the cigarette lighter. Boy, I tell you, it's hot out here. $47. $49. That's where we're going to leave it. And that was quick. How long did that take? This is going to be a great asset for traveling. Let's see. How much juice did we use in this battery? I still got 3 bars. This is an awesome tool. You can take it anywhere. Then the hose hooks on the back. All the attachments are up here. And when not in use, you just take the battery out. It's an awesome tool. Wish I could have gotten one years ago. Because I don't even know if it works. It was a green slime, 12 volt inflator. Cord was never long enough. Like a drill. Take it, use it, and get off the side of that highway. Hey, thanks for watching my channel. I'm going to try to do more as things move on. But right now I'm kind of like in limbo. I'll try. But when you work like I do, you got triple-digit heat like we got now. I mean, it's hot here in this barn. It is hot. Let me turn my fans on so my chickens don't overheat. Or I'm going to have cooked chickens. Hello. See you next time.